Welcome back. Last time we explored the letter A and learned that one vowel can make more than one sound. Today, we're moving on to our second vowel, the letter E. At first, E seems like a simple letter, but it's one of the most important sounds in spoken English. Why? Because thousands of common words use it, and a small mistake with the E sound can change what native speakers hear. Think about these words. Bed and bead. Men and mean. Pet and Pete. The spelling is similar, but the pronunciation is completely different. Today, we'll learn two most common sounds of E, the short E and the long E. As always, we'll learn them in 4 steps. Hear it, see it, feel it, practice it. Let's begin. Hear it first. Listen to the short E. Bed, pen, 10, red, help, friend. Notice the it's short, quick, relaxed. Now listen to the long E. Remember, it says its letter E, so we'll say me, see, tree, green, need, people. Hear the difference? The long E says its own name. Let's compare them. Bed, bead. Men, mean. Pet, Pete. Met, meet. Wet, wheat. Again, only one vowel sound changes, but the meaning changes completely. Learning to hear the difference is one of the biggest steps towards speaking clearly. See it. Now let's look for pronunciation clues. The short E often appears in simple words. Bed, red, pen, left, help, best. Again, there are exceptions, but this is one of the most common spelling patterns in English. Now look at these words. Pete, these, complete, delete. Notice the silent E? Just like we learned with A, the magic E changes the vowel to its long sound. Now look at another group. See, meet, need, green, tree, sleep. What do you notice? Many long E words are spelled with EE. Now look at these. Team, eat, read, clean, teacher. These use EA. Both EE and EA frequently make the long E sound. So you'll see E by itself in words like me, he, she, and we. But English gives us clues. The more clues you recognize, the more confident you'll become when reading unfamiliar words. Now let's feel it. Let's pay attention to your mouth. For the short E, open your mouth just a little. Keep your jaw relaxed. Your tongue stays forward to the front of your mouth. Try it. Now say bed, pen, help, best. Remember, that's eh. Now we're going to say the long E, which of course is E. You're going to stretch your lips into a small smile, E. Raise the front of your tongue a little higher, E. Now say see, green, need, tree, meet. Did you notice that your mouth feels tighter? The long E is held just a little longer than the short E. Many English learners accidentally make every E sound the same. Native speakers don't. That's why practicing this difference is so important. Practice it. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Short E. Eh, eh, eh. Bed. Pen. Red. Best. Help. Left. Friend. 10. Eh, eh, eh. That's excellent. Now the long E. See, need, meet, green, teacher, tree, please, people. Great. Now let's mix them. Remember, eh for short E and E for long E. Here we go. Bed, bead, men, mean, pet, Pete, met, meet, less, lease. Then theme. Listen carefully. Can you hear the difference? Don't worry if it's difficult. Your ears get better with practice. Okay, so today's detective challenge. Today, become an E detective. As you go through your day, look for words with the letter E. Ask yourself, is it making the short E sound, eh, 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 or the long E sound, E? What clue helped me? Was it E? Was it an EE? Was it an EA? Was there a magic E? Remember, the magic E is silent. Or was it simply a short vowel? Eh. You don't have to know every answer. You just have to start noticing the patterns. The more you notice, the easier pronunciation becomes. Okay, so our 1 minute practice. Let's finish off with 1 minute of speaking practice. Remember, don't just listen, say every word out loud. We're going to start with the short E. You ready? Bed. Pen. Red. Best. Help. Left. Friend. Desk. Next. Message. Excellent. Now we're going to go to the long E. See. Need. Meet. Tree. Green. Teacher. Please. People. Sleep. Clean. Now repeat both words together. Bed, bead. Men, mean. Pet, Pete. Met, meet. Less, lease. Let's finish with some short sentences. Repeat after me. Please meet me at 3. The red pen is on the desk. She needs a green sweater. 10 people came to the meeting. My best friend lives nearby. Fantastic. Every time you practice out loud, you're building stronger listening skills, clearer pronunciation, and more confidence. Keep looking for the letter E today. Listen for it, notice it, practice it, and I'll see you in our next lesson when we explore the letter I. In our next lesson, we'll tackle one of the most confusing vowels in English, the letter I. You'll finally understand why ship and sheep, or sit and sight, sound so different and how to pronounce them correctly. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing your confidence, one conversation at a time. If you'd like more conversation practice with me, contact me at EnglishTogetherHub.com and we can practice English together.